With the ability to be used indoors or outdoors, the ViewStation Universal Enclosure accommodates various sizes of commercial-grade LCD monitors. The single-sided enclosure has an aluminum construction with stainless steel hardware and is available in many popular sizes from 32-inch to 65-inch. Custom enclosure sizes are also available. The LCD enclosures can be mounted on a wall, ceiling, a wall-mounted arm, or post. These options make it possible to install in virtually any environment. The ViewStation Universal model comes equipped with state-of-the-art technologies, including anti-reflective glass, integrated thermal management, and tamper-resistant locking mechanisms. These tools provide protection from theft, vandalism, harsh weather, and other potential damage. The ViewStation Universal has space to house a media player and small electronics. Customization includes custom paint colors, silk-screened logo branding, and anti-graffiti solutions for the enclosure body and viewing window. Ideal installation locations for the ViewStation Universal LCD enclosure include convention centers, airports, bus stops, train stations, stadiums and arenas, museums, shopping malls, schools and universities, hotels, resorts, and so much more. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. Or simply visit itsenclosures.com to watch our large library of product videos.